Welcome to Ultimate Course that will empower you to master web and mobile design with ease and confidence. My name is Chetan and I am UX designer, graphic designer and programmer. To that I have taught over thousands of students in person and online. And I'm so excited to be your instructor on this course. Whether you are a beginner looking to make your first foray into the world of design, a freelancer eager to enhance your skills, or an experienced designer seeking to learn the powerful tool of Figma, then this course is your perfect companion. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an exciting journey that will take us from the fundamentals of graphic design to crafting stunning products. As a student in this course, you are going to get access to over 10 hours of HD video content, which contains step-by-step tutorials, interactive projects, exercises, and more. I will walk you through this entire process step by step as you follow along with me through this course. Together, we will explore the realm of UX and UI design. We will unravel the secret of seamless interactions and unlock a comprehensive design process tailored for your future projects and clients. Now, let's dive into the thrilling world of UX design using the amazing capabilities of Figma. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we journey through the process of creating captivating interface and engaging prototypes. This course is designed for beginners, so don't worry if you are new to UX design or unsure about its intricacies. We start from the very beginning and guide you through each step, from understanding the brief and creating user persona to mastering wireframes and high-fidelity mockups. We will demystify terms like component sets, constraints, and variants, making it easy for you to navigate the world of UI design. With the help of free UI kits and handy plugins, we will supercharge our workflow and create interactive prototypes ready for user testing and collaboration with your team. Practical assignments will be sprinkled throughout the course to help you hone your skills and build an impressive portfolio piece. Don't just take my words for it, check out what my past and current students have to say about my courses. Now, design is a timeless skill that remains relevant even as trends change. The basic you learn here will stay with you for years to come, and you can apply this skill to work with anyone, anywhere in this world. And the best part is, you don't need to be an artistic genius or drawing prodigy to excel in design. We all start from the scratch, and by the end of this course, you will be design whiz. This comprehensive course comes with 100% risk-free money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with this course for any reason, you can request a full refund within 30 days. So have a look at the course outline in next video to see if this course is right for you. This course includes everything you need to master Figma, so sign up now and let's start designing. We will see you inside.